So I think the bulkhead is all unscrewed, so I'm just going to pop it all off now. Or not. It looks like I'm going to have to remove the lining on the roof first. So I've removed all these clippy things off the ceiling. There's quite a few of them all over, and there's only one left in the middle. I expect I've removed the light so it doesn't obviously break the cables when it comes down, and that's the last one, so I expect the ceiling to come down as I undo it. Ceiling off, now I'm just going to try to remove the bulkhead. Maybe I should have taken the ceiling off first, huh? Ta-da! Empty shell. Now I'm just gonna quickly, oh, the lighting here is terrible. I'm just gonna quickly sweep that and I'm gonna hoover it. So I was gonna use the dustpan and brush for all the sand in here, but because all these bumps in the floor of the van, it makes it really hard to get it with the dustpan and brush. So yeah, I've gone for the lazy option. The van is completely empty and clean, so it's an empty shell ready for us to start insulating next week. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.